Okay, so you're marketing Women Men Adore as an affiliate, right? I don't know how long you have been marketing it or how long you have been struggling with it. But what I can tell you is that you just quite cannot get this correct, right? The reason why you are not getting this right is because you are out there like everybody else. You are posting a video, you are posting a link in your video, and you are sending people to your promotional page. That is what we call a traditional marketer. You are doing what everybody else on the internet is doing, and it doesn't matter what it is. So what I have to tell you is that you should be doing it just not only the traditional way, because I don't know what products that you are selling. This is called the affiliate marketing model. With this system, you are able to make anything that your heart desires. I had met this guy, his name was Larry, and he had made $10,000 in 1 month. That means 30 days, not 3 months, not 2 months, 1 month, that he had made $10,000 just by using this invisible affiliate marketing tool. You can use this with anything that you are currently marketing on the internet. So I would advise you to click the link below if you are serious about your affiliate marketing business. You need to be retrained. The training video is free. So click on the link below, guys, and I will see you on the inside. Bye.